Sample problem number 1. We are required to determine the following. Saman, magnitude of the resultant, direction of the resultant, as well as the orientation of the resultant. Now, when we say direction of the resultant class, pwede siya magikan any of these points of the axis. But when we say orientation gani class, gikan ra gid siya dinhi sa positive x-axis, and then unsa tayo positive gani class nga angle? Ang counter clockwise is the positive. Now, in denoting bitaw class kung asa nga force ka magikan, pwede siya bisag asa nga force ha. So let's say for example, this is force 1, force 2, force 3, force 4, force 5. It really doesn't matter sa concurrent. Ganun dili siya mag-matter class because they share the same origin sa concurrent. Pwede po dog, organize ka from here, pana, pwede na. Or from here, pana, pwede ha. Or kanang gusto kag challenge ba? Ha, ambul-ambul? Ayaw, ako na.
First.
Pwede po dog, kana, anahan. But again, it really doesn't matter ha. Because we are solving problem class sa concurrent force system. So, ano required? Okay, resultant, the magnitude of the resultant. Also to formula class. Okay, R equals to the square root of Rx squared plus Ry squared. Sayon lang guys yan, formula, di ba? First, let's try to solve Rx. Kay we need to supply value of Rx sa atong resultant nga formula, right? Rx. How to do it? Rx equals summation of all forces along x-axis. Saon mo na ron?
First.
If we're going to redraw that one, now, ang explain ako dito ganina class nga any angle nga maka-incline siya, pwede nato siya ma-resolve into components since ato na siyang i-deal class solving this one in an analytical method. So therefore, ato na siyang i-solve into components kay mo solve man taog x components and y components. So kani nagtakilid siya, right? Naa na siya components class. Now if this is fx man na siya. And then sa ato ang topic bitaw katong polar to rectangular. The rectangular is x, y. Kana kaya ang gihatag class kay polar man na r theta. So to solve class ni x and y, x is simply r cosine theta, y is r sine theta. Di ba mo na conversion natong na-learn? Polar to rectangular. So mo na gamiton po nato din ni class. Since we are given with polar form, convert that into rectangular form para ma-feed nato din ni. Okay, so that means kani siya day class 200 r theta x1, that is simply r theta. Then y1, that is r sine theta. Intende? Sure?
First.
This one, x2. 300 cosine 60, 300 sine 60. Okay, class? Okay. So, kani, walay component. Kaya automatic siya nga x component. Kani, automatic siya nga y component. Kani, na siya ay components towards the right and downward. So, this is x3 nga 100 cosine 45. And then y3, we have 100 sine 45. Anong ginalin ako niya pag-present sa inyo, class? Since I think this is first look. Mostly sa inyo din eh. Katong mga first try bitaw. So, ginalin ako pag-present, class, para ma-visualize ninyo kung asa gikan ang values nga i-feed nato sa pag-solve. Di ba kay very good class, sample problem ako nagpakita og solution. Itong gi-breakdown into pieces kung sa may i-feed nato nga mga values pag-abot nato sa pag-solve sa problem. Let's do the summation of forces along x-axis. x1 plus x2 ... plus xn. Mao na siya no? Pag sum up, depende og pila ka buok forces nga naa. I will consider class nga ang right nako is may positive sa x. Sa inyo an, okay ra jud sa inyong assumption ha. Kung mag-assume mo class nga ang left ninyo mo ay positive, make sure lang nga kung naipadulong sa right, inyo na siyang i-negative. Rightward na po as positive. So summation of force x equals x1 class. Positive, negative. Okay, positive. That is 200 cosine of 30. Kanina by x, wala no. Kanina positive, negative. Minus 300 cosine of 60. Kani, minus 400. Walay x component. Kanina ano? Plus 100 cosine of 45. Now, give me the value of summation of force x. How much? Negative 306.08 kilonewtons. This is not the final answer, ha? This is just simply the value of your Rx. Now, let's go now to the summation of forces vertical upward. Ang akong consideration nga positive. The summation of forces vertical class, that is just simply y1 plus y2 and then kung pila ka buok forces along vertical plane. Summation of forces vertical y1. Positive, negative. 200 sine of 30. Next, wala. Kani, positive, negative. positive. Positive 300 sine of 60. Wala. Kani. Okay, minus 50. Kani. Minus 100 sine of 45. Oh, give me the value of this one. This is the value of Ry. And then we are required by the magnitude, right? Okay, so gamito na to ni. Resultant R is equals to the square root of negative 306.08 squared plus 239.10 squared. So, give me the value of R. Huh? Hotdog.
Push, Papa.
388.40 kilonewtons. Kani ang ato answer. This is the magnitude of the resultant or the value of the resultant. And then kabalo ka, asa man ni siya mo fall nga quadrant. Kaning resultant na to, asa man ni? Second? Ganong second man. Okay. Quadrant 2, because the value of your Rx is negative, the value of your Ry is positive. Quadrant 2 siya. Diya siya mabalaan. Kay mo man niya ang rectangular components niya. Kaya ba tawag asa na siya nga quadrant? Oh, ha? Oh, ha?
Push.
Forget the angle class. Theta is equals to arctangent of Ry. That is 239.10 divided by negative 306.08. Pilay theta na to? Negative 37.99 degrees. Now, pasabot ani class. This is the direction. Pasabot ana class, direction nga. Kung naatong resultant sa quadrant 2, gikan siya ani pangadto clockwise. Now, the orientation class, gikan din padulong sa angle. Kay balo man ta nga sa second quadrant class, that is just simply 180 minus this value. Orientation angle. That is 180 minus 37.99. Pila man na? 142.01 degrees. So this is the orientation angle. Gikan na sa dinhi class. Pangadto sa tuang resultant. This angle class, dili siya pasabot nga negative angle ni. It simply says nga gikan siya sa negative x-axis clockwise siya. The direction. Kaya naman sa second quadrant ato ang resultant. Did you understand? Klaro lang?
Push, Papa.
Question. The question of Winghog class, kung positive ko no ang 37 degrees, di na ka mo minus. Of course, di na. Kay pasabot na class, naa sa first quadrant ang ato ang resultant. So automatic class, your direction is equals to your orientation. Nasabdan? Before tamo and we could solve this one using the calculator technique, Caltex with Petron.
Push.
Set your calculator to mode complex, mode, shift, then AC.
Push.
Simply mode 2 kana CMPLX complex, and then i-type lang ni mo math class. So for example, this one 200 man na iyang R, then iyang angle nga 30 degrees. Then this time class, the angle nga tong gamiton is the orientation angle, not the direction. Plus the next is kanang yellow 300 angle. Ang angle niya class, orientation angle ana niya is 180 minus 60, and that is 120 plus 400 class, imo gyud na tagag angle kay orientation man 180 plus 15 to 70 orientation man plus 100, that is 360 all around minus 45 equals so you can observe class, this is Rx, Ry, matik siya. To get the value of your resultant and then the orientation angle, shift mode, then arrow down, click number 3, and then papilion ka unsa may gusto nimo nga complex result, A plus BI or number 2 R theta. Kanang A plus BI class, that is rectangular. Unang value ganina Rx o Ry. Kaning number 2 R theta, that is the resultant and the angle. So i-click lang ng 2 nya, gaan na kaniyang value ni R theta. That is the magnitude of the resultant and the orientation angle of the resultant. Sakitas tila okay.
Push, Papa. Push.
Pahit sira? Okay ba tadi mga ka-civilian?
Very humbly.